And you all this, we don't live no way. We hungry, we are starved.
This is Black River, Jamaica, the epicenter, ground zero of Hurricane Melissa, coming in off the Caribbean Sea here, 185 miles per hour, Category 5. And I just want to walk you through this devastation because in person, it takes your breath away and it is remarkable. And we'll come over here and this tour will give you an idea of exactly the hell that everyone here went through. Look at this church, if you can. And Jared Maloney, meteorologist and field producer behind the camera. You see this brick structure, been here a long time. Jared, look at that. There is nothing left. The entire interior and the roof collapsed down on it. And you see this street as we head down the center of it. So many people right now are suffering. There is a desperate need for water and food and supplies. Helicopters need to land here. Vehicles need to find their way in here through the compromised and destroyed roadways in the mountains. In the mountains, all the vegetation is gone. It is bare. It is town after town that is completely decimated by a mix of 185 mile an hour winds and rushing water and rain 2 to 3 feet. And we walk down the center of what used to be a bustling community and is now completely in ruin. These people without a home, many people in shelters. And I have to ask you, I'm gonna come over and talk to you guys. Is everyone okay? As good as possible?
Yeah, not too bad. Hey, what's up?
I'm Robert Ray with Fox Weather.
Yes.
Are you okay right now?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Where are you gonna stay?
No, well, this was a business place, but the sea lick out the wall and empty out everything on the land.
What will you do now?
No, I'm just here waiting for the person, the owner, to come. Yeah.
And all these folks in this town that was once alive, right?
Yeah.
You guys will make a comeback at some point.
Hard. It's hard. Need some help.
Big time.
Big time, yeah.
And that's
big help.
we're trying to make the world understand that aid needs to come in.
Yes.
And I know the officials are too. We talked to them. In fact, we're going to show some of that in a second, but thank you, sir. Thank you for talking to me. Be well. Be well.
Okay.
We're going to walk back over here through the debris fields, concrete and wood, parts of buildings as far as the eye can see, and just kind of continue to walk through here. 6 people have lost their lives, at least at this point here. Over 40 are on the Caribbean because of Melissa. U.S. aid is coming in. State of California is sending in search and rescue because they still need that here. We're going to traverse this debris field to give you a feel for how desperate and horrible this actually is. Jared, come up here, please. And I just want you to see this right now. And you look at this situation, and it is as far as the eye can see. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Maybe the closest, the tsunami, Christmas Eve tsunami of 2004, of which I was in Sri Lanka in the aftermath. But just take this in if you're watching it, and look at the rocks and the wood and the people in the distance. This is as bad as planet Earth can look in the aftermath of a hurricane. And you just do a 360 here. And it's every direction. Every direction. You walk through these businesses and there is the sea in the distance. And we're going to make our way through here. Imagine people inside at one point hunkering down. How do you survive a situation like this? Perhaps divine intervention, miracle. This is where Hurricane Melissa came ashore. This is ground zero. And you hear the sea lapping in, and it is beautiful. But can you imagine the wrath of all this? Category 5, 185 mile an hour winds. Unsustainable for life. And this is the devastation that one sees. And we make our way back out and look at this. The coral rocks moved in from the sea, pushed in with such fury. And we're gonna be careful to get our way out and just give you more of this look. It is impossible to describe the odors. There is a pungent smell. Sometimes the smell of perhaps a dead animal. You get that sense. There still is an active search and rescue, and many are on the way from several various countries. I know El Salvador is sending aid. There are NGOs all over that are trying to get in here. The United States State Department. And I just want to walk back out here. And you look at the shops and the dogs and the other animals and people that are deeply suffering right now. They need helicopters to come in, water, food, supplies, more shelters, and just help around all of this region. And it's not just here. It's to the north as well in St. Anne Parish and parts of Montego Bay. And thankfully Kingston was spared, because it can be a lifeline for all of that at the airport right now, and also getting fuel and other goods in here. If you are spiritual, pray for this area. If you can help, find someone, Red Cross, another aid organization. And if you are an elected official, understand the deep hell that people are going through here. Not only the survivors and the residents, but the first responders and the elected officials trying to do good. I'm reporting in Black River, Jamaica.